Right, the entire squads are pushing with us, nice.
Yeah, they came up
Oh,
with
two
Kilo.
guys fucking trying. Headshot. Oh! Dumb.
I believe in you, Dylan, do it.
Mate, I need a heal, it's just hit me somehow.
Oof, one bullet.
Want us to keep hitting that, or...?